Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine at home. Okay, welcome you all in your class 2 online class of English 2. So students, I hope you all are taking your online classes very seriously and doing your studies well. So students, in our previous videos, on Monday, I started with our new lesson, that is lesson number 3, Learning Together. Okay, lesson number 3, Learning Together, and we completed our book exercise also. Okay, I hope you understood the story of lesson 3 and completed your book exercises. Alright students, now today we are going to do our copy work. Today we are going to do our copy work of lesson 3. Okay. Today in this class we are going to complete our copy work of lesson 3, Learning Together. Okay students. So before starting the copy work, I want to tell you something that you have to write in your phone line English 2 copy. Write very neatly with sharp pencil. Put one finger gap between the words. Write very neatly and please be careful for the spellings. Don't do the spelling mistakes. Okay? And students, if you have any kind of doubt related to any lesson from lesson 1, lesson 2 or lesson 3, please note it down in your rough copy. It will be clarified when the school will reopens. Okay. Well students, do your studies well. Concentrate on your study. And now I am going to start today's lesson 3 copy work. Today lesson 3 copy work. Okay. Alright students. So in your copy work, your first work is, first of all, in your copy you have to write lesson 3. Then you write down the name of the lesson, Learning Together. Alright. First of all, you write down lesson 3. Then you write Learning Together. Okay. After writing this, you have to start your copy work. Okay. Just after this, you have to write number 1, that is dictation words. Okay, dictation words you have to write. Okay students, this much is clear for you all. You have to write first lesson name, then write down the name of the lesson, then you write number 1, dictation words. Your first exercise is dictation word. Number 1 is dictation words. Okay, now write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dictation words are there. I have given 5 dictation words from this lesson. Okay, so first of all you write number 1, lunch. Number 2, problems. Number 3, F-U-N, fun. Number 4, T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R, together. And number 5, promise. These are your dictation words. In this 5 words I have given, that is number 1 is lunch, L-U-N-C-H, lunch. Number 2, problems, P-R-O-B-L-E-M-S, problems. Number 3, fun, F-U-N, fun. Number 4, T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R, together. And number 5, promise. P-R-O-M-I-S-E, promise. You have to learn all these words. Okay? You have to learn all the given words for your dictation writing exam. Okay? So you have to learn all these words. Now I'm going to do the next work. Okay? The next work in your copy is number 2, that is word meaning. You have to write this exercise the new page. When you complete your dictation word, you go for the next new page and you start writing this. Question number 2, that is word meaning. Okay? 3, 4. Okay? When you complete your dictation word, then you go for the next new page and you start writing word meaning of this lesson. Okay? Number 1 is recess. Number 2 is grazing. Number 3 is learning. And number 4 is in turn. Okay? There are 4 words. You have to write the meaning of these words. Recess, lunch, break. Okay? Number 2, grazing, nibble. Learning, study. Intern, as a reply. Okay? Recess, lunch break, grazing, nibble, learning, study, intern, as a reply. Okay? When we start writing the copy work of lesson 3, first we write dictation words. 5 dictation words I have given to you all. That is lunch, problems, fun, together, promise. Okay? And when you complete your dictation word, then you go for the next exercise, that is word meaning. You have to write the word meaning. You have to write the meaning of the given words. Okay? Then your first word is recess and you will write lunch break. The meaning of recess is lunch break. Then you write grazing, and what is the meaning of the grazing? Nibble. Number 3 is learning, and what is the meaning of learning? Study. Number 4, intern. Okay? What is the meaning of intern? As a reply. Okay? This is your word meaning of this lesson. You have to learn all the word meanings of this lesson. Okay? So students, I hope this is clear. Okay, now I am moving to the next one. Okay? That is question number 3. Question number 3, and that is make sentences. Make sentences. You have to write the words and you make the sentence with that word. Okay? So your first word is play. So you have to make the sentence with the word play. Alright? Play. We play in the park. So students, be careful when you start writing your sentence. Start with the capital letter and end with the full stop. Okay? Don't forget this. You have to start with the capital letter and end with the full stop. And you have to underline the word that you used in your sentence. Okay? Now number 2 is tree. And you have to make sentence with the word tree. This is a lemon tree. Okay, so you have to underline the tree, and you start with the capital letter and end with the full stop. Okay, so please students, don't forget the full stop and the capital letter. Okay, now we go for next. That is number 3. Number 3 is help. Help. Can you help me? Okay students, in this sentence you are asking a question to someone. You are asking for a help from someone. That is, can you help me? Then you start writing with the capital letter, but the sentence end with question mark. So underline the word help here. And number 4 is school. So make the sentence with the word school. Okay. I like my school. I like my school. Start with the capital letter and end with the full stop and underline the word school. You have to highlight the word. Okay. By underlining the word, you have to highlight the word. And when you make the sentence, be careful with the capital letter and the punctuation mark. Maybe it is full stop or the question mark. Okay students, I hope this make sentences is clear for you all. Okay students, now we have completed 3 exercises of your copy work. That is, first one is the dictation words, in which I have given the 5 dictation words to you all. Second one is the word meaning. In that I have given 4 word meaning to you all, word and meaning both. And the third one is make sentences. In that also I have given the 4 words to make the sentences. Okay. Alright students, please write neatly in your copy with good handwriting. Okay. Now we are moving for the next work, that is question answer. Number, that is answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Okay. Okay students, I just want to tell you one thing, that in your book, in your lesson 3, there is no question answer, but I prepared question answer for you related to your lesson. So you have to learn your question answer from your copy. Okay students, I prepared the question answers for you all related to this lesson. So write it down in your copy and please learn it. Okay. So your first question is who helped Rama learn to read and write? Who helped Rama to learn read and write? Who helped her? You know na? That is Jia and Hussain. The answer of this question is, I am not going to write the answer of this question because all the question answer and the exercises are already uploaded in your school website. Okay, I am just telling the answer to you all. The answer of this question is Jia and Hussain helped Rama to learn read and write. This is your answer. Okay. Question number 1. Who helped Rama learn to read and write? Answer is Jia and Hussain helped Rama to learn read and write. Okay. I'm not writing answer here. All the question answers and the exercises are already uploaded in your school website. So please go to the school, visit to the school website and write the question answer from there. Okay. Question number 2 is what did Rama's father do? What did Rama's father do? What did Rama's father do? Okay, the answer is Rama's father is the security guard of Jia's apartment. Alright. Question number 2 is, what did Rama's father do? Rama's father is the security guard of the Jia's apartment. Alright students, now we are moving to the next question. And your question number 3 is, this is your question number 2. And question number 3 is, what did Rama bring for Jia and Hussain? Okay students, now your question number 3 is, what did Rama bring for Jia and Hussain? And the answer is, Rama bring guavas for them. What she is bringing for them? Guavas, right? Now question number 4. I've given only 4 questions in this lesson. 4 question answers. So question number 4 is, what were Jia and Hussain playing with? Okay. Question number 4 is, what were Jia and Hussain playing with? Okay, and the answer is, Jia and Hussain are playing with a flying disc. This is your answer. Jia and Hussain are playing with a flying disc. Okay students, this much is your book exercises. First is the dictation word, second is the word meaning, third is the make sentences, and the fourth is the question answer. Okay, I hope you remember yesterday only I said this, that your book exercise of lesson 3 question number 1 we will not do in the book, we will write in our notebook, in our English 2 copy. Okay, so here we are going to write who said this and to whom of lesson 1 and 3. Okay, I prepared who said to whom exercise from lesson 1 and 3. So you have to write down this. That is your question number. That is your next exercise, and the next exercise is from lesson 1 and 3, and that is who said this and to whom. Okay, who said this and to whom from lesson 1 and 3. Remember this, from lesson 1 and 3. Okay students, from lesson 1 and 3. Okay, now your first one is, I think you remember your lesson 1, that is stone soup. You remember your story of lesson 1? Alright, I'm just revising once again. That is, there was no food in the house. Who said this line? Okay, a man said to the traveler, I am sorry, there is nothing to eat in the entire village. Who said this one? A woman said to the traveler, because traveler were asking for the food, right? So when they are knocking the door of the villagers, they replied the things. Okay, first one is, there was no food in the house. Okay, number 1, there was No, have to write everything. Okay, you have to write all the question, answer and everything. Okay, don't leave anything. Whatever I am writing, you have to write the same thing. There was no food in the house. Okay, who said this? Answer is a man said to the traveler. A man said to the traveler. This is your first question of who said to whom. Okay. There was no food in the house. A man said to the traveler. You have to write like this. Okay. First you write down the question. There was no food in the house. Then you write down the answer. A man said to the traveler. Same as question number 2. That is, I am sorry, there is nothing to eat in the entire village. Who said this line? A woman said to the traveler. Okay, this is your question number 1. And this is your question number 2 of this. Who said to whom? Okay. Now we are moving for the next one. That is related to your lesson 3. Okay. Yes, she is Rama. Her father is the security guard of our apartment. Who said this? To whom? Jia said to the Hussain. Jia said to the Hussain. When Hussain asked, do you know her? In reply of this, Jia said that yes, she is Rama. Her father is the security guard of our apartment. Means Jia said to the Hussain. Now number 4. Didi, I love to come here every day. I want to go to school too. I want to read books like you. Who said these lines? Children, who said these lines? Rama. Because Rama wants to learn how to read or write, right? So Rama said to the Jia. Okay. Now the last one is, do you know her? The number 5 is, do you know her? The last one I'm writing. Number 1 and 2 is related with your lesson 1. Question number 1 and 2 of who said to whom is related with your lesson 1. And question number 3, 4, 5 are related with your lesson 3. Okay, now question number 5 is, do you know her? Do you know her? Who said this? Hussain. Hussain asked to Jia. Hussain said to the Jia. Okay? Okay, students? Okay, students. This much is your copy exercise of this lesson. In this lesson, the copy exercises are, number 1 is dictation words. Number 2 is the word meaning. Number 3 is the make sentences. Number 4 is the answer the following questions. Okay. In your book, there is no question answer is written, but according to the lesson, I already prepared the question answer for you all. So, the question answers are there in this. And the last exercise is from lesson 1 and 3. The last exercise is from lesson 1 and 3. Who said to whom? Okay. So students, this is all for today. Do your work very neatly. Okay. Write everything in your copy, whatever is given, and complete your book work. Take the help of your parents. Ask to guide you. And students, please obey your parents and listen to them, what they are asking to do. Do your study well and take your online classes very seriously. Okay, if you find any doubt regarding any lesson from lesson 1 to 3, if you find any problem, any doubt, please don't worry. Note it down in your rough copy. everything will be clarified when the school will reopen. All right, students. Thank you, students, and have a nice day.